Excuse me, nakakatuwa po at meron tayong different ways to connect to the league. Yan po ang ating mga different social media addresses. 16:15, kasadya gids ang atong third set ba? Yan, naalala natin si Jovelyn. Diba? Only Jovelyn can be called Jovelyn and halin sa, Iloilo.
Iloilo.
Oh. Uy, malakas. Napaka-expressive ni Coco Wang, Yung mga ties are expressive, but Wang is also interesting.
Yes. And then look at her. She's trying to lead the team.
Pinupukpok niya yung ulo niya. She's shaking her head. She's talking to April. She's so animated. April. Penetrante.
Oh, no.
Huli ni ate, but out. Yes.
Ate, reading that well, pero yun na nga lumabas. Na pag si Rachel naka-gear up na ng ganun, ang hirap talaga. Ibig sabihin, malakas ang palo ni Rachel.
Saka na-angulo ni Rachel.
Yung gusto niya i-approach na gano'n at yung hindi masyadong malapit sa net na set.
Regalo. Tinaas niya ni Reyes. Wang. Penetrante. Up. Tinaas ni Carolina.
Ayan na naman.
Smart move by Rachel.
Oh.
Smart points ang edge ng Army itong araw na to. Hindi lakas eh.
Yes.
Look at this. Oop. Takes some brain matter to make that decision. Time to listen.
Okay, again. Ivy, isang receive lang tayo. Ikaw, hindi eh.
Bakit ba bakit?
Hindi, humingi na ako ng ano kayo na kasi hindi ko na-receive, di ba? Humingi ako ng base.
Yes, ganun na lang. Okay? Okay, again. Ivy! Okay. Pak, hindi sinasabayan si Ivy eh. So gawin mo na lang. Ikaw pumasok dito. Kaya mo yon. Ivy, dito ka. Dito si Micah. Micah, dito ka na. Ha? Okay. Naintindihan. So yun muna. Kailangan tawagin. We have to receive first. Okay, we have to receive first.
Let's go!
Rachel Andakis on your picture. A familiar face here in our Shakey's B League. 19-15. Dakis is there.
And back set to Gonzaga. Totally closed out.
16-19. Hope Springs Eternal for the Meralco team and the spiking brigade. Not giving up. Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's B League.
Well, so far itong dalawang koponan with 9 blocks each. Pero yung Meralco, 4 dun sa 9 na yun galing kay Iwano. Dakis. Getting that point.
Just through the years, and having covered her for the last 6 or 7 years, just her smarts have improved tremendously. Diba? Doesn't force it as much, diba, when she was younger.
Tama ka dyan. Nag-develop yung character niya, as a player.
I don't have to try too
Maturity.
hard, diba? I can fly, I know that.
Well,
I don't have to hammer it all the time.
Naging different rin yung roles niya from college to being guest players of different teams.
Well, she and Wendy Seman had to lead the team of FEU to that championship. And then later on, she was guest player halimbawa sa Ateneo and other teams as well.
Well, Jose, so far, 24 excellent sets. Si Salak with 20.
You know, maganda rin sa open tournament. You get to meet other people. You get to improve yourself, actually. Oh, nicely done. Penetrante Wano taking care of hammering that. She's an ate also. I like her.
Totoo, dun sa
She's
kabila,
an ate also.
leader, Ate. At Owano with 9 points already. Murada with 8. Wang with 11.
We have several ates here, and it's not because of age. Just the leaders that we have here. Salak definitely one of them. Dakis, future ate. Was ate for the Ateneo team actually last conference. They
Her
lost
first
it.
taste of being an ate.
Yes, everybody was calling her ate. Even Jem Ferrer was calling her ate. Inside.
Nicely done. Down the line hit from Rachel Andakis.
And I told her, in Germany, don't have to be Rachel Andakis. Ano ibig sabihin? Sa akin, mamaya ako nakikwento sa'yo.
April is here. So they will get this corner. So we have to wait for this. Okay? Carla, papawis ha? Nandiyan ka na. Okay. So yun ang problema natin. Now, receive muna tayo. tatlong spiker nasa harap, right? Tatlong spiker, maximize mo yung gitna. Kasi dinadalawa na yung nandito. Okay? Kayang-kaya ni M yan. M, target ha? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2. Go, 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 go.
Maralco! Power!
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down.
Well, si Coach nga reminded the Meralco players, yung zone 1 pa rin, ano? Yan pa rin ang pinupuntirya, sabi ni Coach Oliver.
6 zones on that floor. That's a corner
Ayan.
hit. That's a corner hit.
And M. Penetrante, Wano, getting that corner.
Sabi ni Morin, sige na, sige
O,
na.
ako naman ang pumunta doon.
Ako naman. Oo. Running.
Oo nga. Okay, let's so far, 8 digs, partner. Yan, kaya nakasmile si Phil eh. 8 digs and Reyes with 6. Imagine, mas marami pa digs si Kainglet.
Saan nag-improve kay Rachel yung basa niya ng flow? Na yung dati-dati lahat kailangan power. Nahabol niya yung, siyempre yung applause and everything. No, just, I'm sure she doesn't all the time, but now she's just a smarter, more older player. Future ate.
As you age, ganun talaga. Sabi nga ni Coach Nene Ibanez Chavez, di ba? Conserve energy. Huwag gumalaw masyado.
Huwag tumakbo
Walang
na.
unnecessary
Huwag na
movement.
tumakbo after they serve. I like that.
Diba?
That's the coaching tip of the day. Kaya kami naglalagay ng courtside reporter. Si Miyaka lang pwede mag-report na, do not run anymore after the serve.
Conserve mo nga naman. So as you grow older, yan ang mga kailangan mo matutunan, di ba?
Yep. 24-18, it is now match point. And Meralco, not their day. Couldn't steal a set, actually, from the veterans of the Army. Salak just whips it. Kainglet, Bonag has played the entire game.
Iba rin talaga pinakitang depensa ng Army.
And this is over.
Kaya naging madali ang opensa eh. Kasi nandun yung depensa ng Philippine Army.
Diyan po natapos sa ating laro. Straight set win by the Army against Meralco. And in terms of the team standing, we'll talk about that later. And we'll just see where Meralco is after the shaking play and our talk with our best player. It's a quick day of volleyball in our 2 games today, Mosey.
That's right. And we got surprised because we were really
Expecting
a long one. At gusto natin ng mahabang
we're
5
ready.
setters.
Kaso
Sa dalawan to eh.
itong 10-year veteran ng Shakey's League, natatawa-tawa ngayon. Pakilala mo ang ating best player.
Kasi tanda niya raw yung Shakey's League sa paglalaro. Sa
okay.
paglalaro. Ay, wala nang iba. Sino pa? Nag-iisa lang yan, si
Go,
Ging eh.
go, go, go.
Ging!
Yes, guys, kasama ko nga dito ang pinanganak dito sa Shakey's League na si Mary Jean Basso. 10 years in the league at ikaw ang aming best player. Kitang-kita namin na matamlay yung Philippine Army during your game against Cagayan. Pero ngayon, parang talagang sinweep nyo itong Meralco. Ano ba yung nagbago?
Pero sa amin, kasi nga, ang pangit talaga ng pinakita namin nung last game. Kaya kami, as in, siguro talaga kami na hindi na ulit babalik yon at gagawin namin ang best namin para sa Army at sa sarili din namin, saka sa team namin. Tsaka, pinapangako namin na hindi na yun mauulit-ulit. Kaya go na kami.
At dahil dyan, meron kaming libreng Shakey's Pizza for you. Congratulations to you once again. Guys, back to you.
Thank you, veteran
Mukhang
Ging.
nilagay sa barracks eh,
Oo,
no?
nilagay sa
Hindi na ulitin.
ubos yan.
Ayaw na
Ganda ng
ulitin.
smile. Update natin ang team standings natin.
Well, ngayon makikita natin Philippine Army at 4-1. At ang Meralco, ayun, 3-3 na ngayon dito. So, ang Philippine Army supposedly nga, no,
Mas
nasa
mataas
pangalawa.
na. Nasa second
dahil
place na
na
sila
Smart
dapat.
Maynila,
Okay.
dalawa na ang talo. Gayun pa man, very sure of going to the next level na itong teams na ito.
Okay, Miyaka and Mosey, thank you for joining us this afternoon. Sam Sarmenta saying always join us here sa Shakey's League. Laging mainit ang volleyball dito sa Shakey's League. Ready makulangan, Cases! Boom! Nahulugan din sila finally. Sinetop. Di makulangan, Cases!
Bitin sa ere.
That's just a smart move. Marciano making that happen. Set by Di Makulangan. Semana!
Defender ba talaga ito?
Ewan ko. De Ramos naipit siya.
Oh,
Marciano,
but-
yes! She got it again!
That one, 18!